Your phone might be spying on every call you make. You need to fix this first. On Android, your phone has a lot of settings turned on by default that let apps collect tons of info, where you are, your photos, even how you use your phone. Crazy, right? You'll be shocked at what it can see. Let's turn off what's not needed so you can use your phone safely. Step 1. Open Settings. Then scroll down and tap Apps. Find the app called Phone. You'd never guess this, but it has way more permissions than it needs. Scroll down to change system settings. Basically, your phone app can tweak core system features. I'd rather be the only one who can do that, so switch this off. Tap Permissions. Here you can see everything the app can see or do: calls, contacts, location, and more. Some of these are normal: call logs, to know who called, and contacts, to make calls. But things like location, you really don't need the phone app tracking where you are. Leaving it on, apps can target you with ads or even let hackers track you. Your phone app doesn't need access to your photos or videos. Switch those off. Same for SMS. If you don't need texts in the phone app, turn it off. Sounds scary, but it's easy to fix. The rule is simple: keep only what's necessary to make and receive calls. Step 2. Call forwarding check. Make sure your calls aren't being forwarded to another phone without you knowing. Dial #21# to check. If forwarding is on but shouldn't be, dial #002# to turn it off. Step 3. Open the phone app. Tap the 3 dots at the top right. Then go to Settings. Caller ID and spam protection. If this is off, your phone won't warn you about spam or scam calls. Turn it on and block all spam calls. You won't get spam calls every hour anymore, and you'll avoid wasting time or sharing info with scammers. Some calls might be recorded without you even knowing. You can delete old recordings after a month, or remove any you don't want saved. And that's it. Now your phone is locked down, no sneaky spying, no extra tracking.